Hello. Okay, I think I fixed it. Hello. I recently contracted respiratory syncytial virus. Something like that. RSV is what it's abbreviated as. And so it's a good sign. It's a good, take this as a signal if you know me and you see me out and about to like keep your distance, but I'm getting better, I think. There's definitely a slight possibility that I am dying. No need to sound the alarms. It's just could happen. I'm here to go over there's a few different coughs, like a expelling of air in a staccato, powerful way that happen when you have RSV, or really, I mean, we've probably been there. If you're watching this, maybe you've been there, maybe you've never been sick, in which case, health tips in the comment section, please. So there's the first type of cough where, it's like, it's never really a surprise, but it's like, I didn't even mean to do that. That was like cough 1 and 2 put together. Like my fake little cough goes into like, okay, just like there's that cough that's a little bit like speaking where it's just like, and then one that catches me a little by surprise is it's usually when you're laying back and, either trying to get to sleep or trying not to think about the fact that you keep coughing all the time is like, it's like pretty alarming when you cough like that. And then I have this philosophy that the most disrespectful thing that could ever happen to a person is when you cough and you fart at the same time, when it's like, and it's like a hardcore fart where it's just like, and it's just like, there's the same amount of projectile power in the fart as there is in the cough, or even more in the fart than the cough. It catches you by surprise. It's not always, but it's like, oh gosh, that fucking sucked. That freaking sucked. I didn't say the F word. Anyway, that's, I hope you learned something today, something of use to you. All right, see you later.